Okay, let's go dye some eggs.
And Pepper was screaming at my face.
Let's go dye some eggs. Okay, we are at Zach's parents' house in Gilbert, and we are gonna dye some eggs tonight, and I think we're gonna try something cool and different. I saw this video on Facebook of I don't know if it was like a business or if it was like a blogger. They dyed eggs with ties, like actual like neckties. They wrap the egg in the tie with the tie, and then come on. And then they boil it with the tie on it. Anyway, it looks pretty cool. We're gonna try it out.
Da 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 da.
Beautiful.
Hey, there's hope. There's still hope.
Yeah.
Oh, we're getting there.
It's not the design of the thing, but
Oh, well, hey.
Oh, it's close.
Kind of, but not like her.
Look at that. Look how cool that is, though.
That's the idea.
Are you supposed to eat?
Anything?
I think it turned out kind of cool. It doesn't look exactly like the tie, but
Yeah, that turned out the best.
turned out good.
Baby Doa. Baby Doa. So our verdict on the egg test is
Plausible.
It didn't work as easily as the video made it look like it would work. As you can see, it just didn't totally work. That one was probably the best one.
That's probably the best one. That's
Yeah,
like the
that
whole
one
thing of
looks
the
pretty
tie.
good.
That's where
The key is to really tie the string or whatever around the eggs really tight and make sure the whole thing is covered with like taut string.
yeah.
Would you do this egg trick again?
Yes, I would try to do it and try to perfect it.
Yeah,
So
because
what
it
does
turned
it
out
need
pretty
to
cool.
perfect it?
I think we need to put the string tighter and make sure that our ties are mostly silk.
100% silk.
100, well, because some of those weren't 100%.
No, I think they were. I think the ones that worked were 100% silk.
I don't know. We declare this a pin win.
Yes.
Even though it didn't turn out Pinterest perfect. Pin win!